Hello everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin fly in proven theory 21 December. The fly is about 1200%. That's why the theory is very perfect in the ETF market, 150 times leverage. As you can see in my last video, I told you that 3 days ago that the 21 December gonna be the important date for the Bitcoin because it's gonna break the momentum in the Sun in Capricorn. So this video, or you can see about this link, I can upload this link above this channel, and then you can see that I already told you that in the 11 December also have the important date because it's the Mercury sextile Jupiter. Let's jump into this video. Look, in the 21 December, you can see that the Bitcoin already up from the bottom already 8%. So if you play in the leverage for 150 times, so you're gonna get 1200%. So this is my entry last yesterday, and you can see already increased this huge. And if you can see in the 11 December, they already do the same. They already increased almost 7%, 8% if you see in the next 2 days from the 11 December. That's why I think it's very good signal for the reversal and good for you to follow. And if you we are zoom out like this, we are not even just break this area, but also we are break from the very strong resistance in here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is our 5th attempt after we failed from the early December until now. Now we are rejected, and this is the good sign. And in here we can see there are the two possibility scenario. The first is we are going to down, retest in here, and we going to up. But if the market is very bullish, we gonna straight up like this one. That's why we need to wait, and I have an exit because this is my last entry for this bull run. I already entry in this bull run, and this is I think the very good momentum for us. Maybe we can see just some sideways like this one. It's still possible, but the most important that we already break this area. This is the very strong resistance that we need to break. That's why you need to watching, and for me, I'm still bullish until the next year because I don't think that in the Sun in Capricorn, the progress of our bull run is over because that's very bullish for the bull run. If you can see in here, look, in the Mercury retrograde, it's also same 1 2 3 and 4, and for the overall Mercury retrograde, they are very huge, very big. But in here, some sideways and just continue. In here is still same. The Sun in Capricorn gonna bring our prices going to up 1 2 3 and 4, so same like this one. Yeah, maybe before the end of the Sun and Capricorn period we can see another all-time high. It's very possible for us, but even if that there is no new all-time high until the 21 January because that's the end of the market Sun in Capricorn cycle. But I'm still bullish. Why I'm still so bullish? Because the market bull run haven't end up before the April. Why before the April? Maybe you can see in here. Let's move to zoom out for the larger period. Look in here. In here we have the Mercury, Sun, Jupiter happen in the April, and the April we have the all-time high at that period, and then we just going to crash after that, and then just going to up again. Now in the December we have another Mercury sextile Jupiter. What I already told you in here that after 11 December 2 days is increased by 8%, and then just to going to down because 21 December we have another important day. That's why they need to wait. And if you can see in the January and 18, it's same, the Mercury sextile Jupiter happen in here exactly same month. But if you zoom out to the weekly, maybe that's not the exact time because there is some lagging. Let's see it. Look in here. So the peak happened in the December, but the bearish moment happened in the January. That's why this 5 week maybe it's the error rate, but you cannot see in the weekly, but you need to see in the monthly candle, because it's the monthly candle. It's exactly the very long big momentum from bullish to bearish. As I told you, this indicator is a bit different from the technical analysis. I'm still agree in the technical analysis, but the first thing that you need to know that the whales always have the secret weapon that maybe not retail many retail don't know about that, including the company. That's why I'm told you that you need to make a balancing about the Bitcoin for the technical analysis and also the whales indicator using the astrology finance. This is the part of the astrology finance. That's why you need to wait. This you can see in here even what happened in the January 19. Look, it's very bullish in here. It's going to downtrend again. And after the crash, some people say that's due to the COVID pandemic, but you can see that since the Bitcoin halving, that's just a bit different. So if you enter in this Mercury star Jupiter is very good for you. In here that we continue the good trend, and now we are here. That's why the next Mercury star Jupiter happen in the April, May, and June for the next year. That's why I'm thinking that this is the market peak cycle. This is the market peak cycle around this area. Maybe can happen in April or maybe in June, but I'm told you that this is the very crucial moment in here. So watching, since we are still in the start of the beginning of the Mercury star Jupiter, I think it's very good chance for us to enter. Yesterday is my last enter, and I'm gonna keep my long-term holding until next year. So good and congrats for you that already follow me. And let's wait what about this weekly close candle. We have another around 5 days. Let's wait and we can see how is the result. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you.